As taxpayers, we are always looking out for options that will help us save on some taxes, right? What if I tell you that there is an investment that not only helps you do that, but also offers you a chance of wealth creation? That fund is the Kotak ELSS Tax Saver Fund. The fund invests in equities and equity related securities with an aim to create wealth for investors in the long term. It's free to invest in stocks across market capitalizations. So, the fund manager is free to move between large, mid, and small cap stocks as per their discretion. The fund manager invests in multiple stocks for good diversification. The Kotak ELSS Tax Saver Fund's fund managers follow a strategy called growth at a reasonable price. So it invests in businesses that are competitive, scalable, rightly valued, and efficiently managed. Now coming to those tax benefits. Under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961, an investment of up to 1.5 lakh rupees per year under the old income tax regime can be deducted from your income when calculating taxes. So if you're looking for taxation benefits from your investments, then wait no more and invest in the Kotak ELSS Tax Saver Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.